When your woman is about to cheat, she does the things that I want to disclose in this video. So if you have a woman and you are suspecting her, make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the things you will see. Then you know that your woman is about to cheat. If she is the type that you can call to order, call her to order before it is too late. So thank you for watching. Before I proceed on this video, my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, natural ways to keep men, both dating, relationship advice for men and women. So join us once again by subscribing. So if you are living with a woman, either your wife, your girlfriend, fiancé or spouse, and you are suspecting her, these are the signs you will see. Then you know that she is about to stab you. She is about to cheat on you. So what are the signs? 3 signs that I want to disclose. There are many, but these 3 are the most important. Number 1, when she starts giving you unreasonable excuses. When you call her, babe, where are you? She tell you that she is there or she is coming, and you keep watching to see if she will come. Nothing is working. She is not coming. This is a sign that she is about to cheat. Any woman that loves you will never, in fact, prolong issues or will never give you unreasonable excuses. But the one that is about to cheat will give you unreasonable excuses. Number 2, when she starts answering call in a secret. Yes, maybe when both of you sit together and her phone rings, she pick up her phone and run away to answer a secret call. That is a sign that she is about to cheat. Any woman who is sincere or who is fidel can never think of answering call in a secret, not to talk more of taking her call outside when both of you are staying together, or when the phone rings, she go out with her phone. This is a sign that she is about to cheat. A lovely woman who loves her spouse will never do so, no matter what. Even if there is a secret, she will tell you the secret. She will answer that call in your presence and let you know what the phone call is all about. But once she pick her phone and run away, that is a sign that she is trying to cheat on you, and she has a secret that she don't want you to know. And if a secret a lady have and you as a man dating her don't know it, that lady is a bad lady. Number 3 and the last sign you will see, then you know that the lady or your woman is about to cheat, is when she can't sacrifice for the relationship both of you had. Yes, when both of you are dating, you provide things she need, but when she can't provide all of a sudden, then you know that she is about to cheat on you. She can't support you financially. She can't support you with positive words or encouragement, motivational words. She don't do any of this. It means that she has someone that she is crushing. She has someone where her mind is, and if you watch her, she is sacrificing towards that place. Or if that place never get matured, she is about to nurse that relationship and leave you beside. So these are the 3 signs a woman will show when she is about to cheat on you, and these are the signs I want to disclose. I hope you get value. Please support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a good video like this, you will get notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, drop it down in the comment section. In fact, comment on this video. Let me know what you think. Like and share this video to your loved ones. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.